Hi, this is Nolan from Bench-Mark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and off SureFix on the Hemisphere S631 receiver using FieldGenius. So SureFix is just the feature that comes on all of the newer Hemisphere receivers that allows you to be 99% sure of the shot you took. So instead of taking one solution and running it on the board, SureFix takes two different completely independent solutions and runs them in parallel until they're within an acceptable tolerance that you can be 99% sure that your shot that you were taking is in the correct location. So this feature is really useful when you got to be 100% sure that you're in the right spot and you don't want to have to take some extra time to do some extra check shots. You can know with SureFix that you're in the right spot. The one thing to remember though, if you're using SureFix, you're going to need something like a bipod to make sure that pole is perfectly stable. Otherwise, it won't give you an acceptable solution, and it could take a while to fix. So what I've done to begin here is I've connected to an S631 receiver, and you can see that I've got a fixed solution there in the bottom right corner. So if I just click that and it'll open it up here, you can see that I got this GNSS measurement, and my solution is fixed. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to store this position for now. And what I'm going to do after I've done that is I'm going to head to the very top right corner there where I've got a wrench, screwdriver, and 3 switches. And in the instrument settings menu here, I'm going to want to scroll down. And you can see here I've got an option for RTK Fix Mode. And if I click that, you can see that I have 2 options, SureFix or normal. So I have a normal solution right now. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to select SureFix, and that has now switched my receiver to using that SureFix functionality. And it's just going to double check that it's in the exact spot that the receiver thinks it is, that the solution is as good as it can possibly be. And when that happens, I'm going to see now I got that RTK fixed, and if I click on it, you can see that I have a fixed solution. And I'll just again store this position for the point of this video. And that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or you want to learn more about SureFix, the Hemisphere S631, or FieldGenius, you can check us out on the web at Bench-Mark.ca, or you can give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 and talk to a member of our team about any questions you might have.